And here are 6 reasons why you need to enable creator mode. One is that you can display the topics that you post about in your profile introduction as hashtags. This makes it easier for other LinkedIn members to discover your content and follow you. 2 is that you can create a 30-second profile picture video for people to learn more about you and to just get a feel of your personality. 3 is that you can highlight your original content on your profile by moving your featured and activity sections to be first on your profile. 4 is that you can become eligible to be featured as a suggested creator to follow so that potential followers can discover you and your content across LinkedIn. 5 is that you can get access to creator tools such as LinkedIn Live Video and LinkedIn Newsletter. And 6 is that you can change your connect button on your profile to follow and to display the number of followers that you have on your profile. And if you're like, yo, what's the difference between followers and connections? Well, followers can see your content, but you can't see them. And people can follow you without you having to approve them. Your connections can see your content and you can see their content. Also, you can direct message your connections too, but you can't message people that you follow. Basically, you want it to be easy for people to follow you, but when you reach out to people, you want to connect with them. And also, just one more bonus feature is that all of the posts that you make when you have creator mode turned on will include a follow button. So it just makes it one step easier for people to see your content and then follow you. Pretty cool, right? Well, here's how to turn creator mode on. Click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click View Profile. Scroll down to Resources and click on Creator Mode Off. Click Next on the Creator Mode preview pop-up window. Add topics, these are those hashtags, to indicate the topics that you want to post about the most, and then click Done.